Hello, first grade scientists. So today you have the option to either do review multiple choice questions or to make a seasons poster. So I'm going to show you what that means. You can start with a blank sheet of paper. It can be the back of an old job or a blank piece of paper that's blank on both sides. We're only going to use one side. What you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper in half this way. Then you're going to fold it down from the top in half again to make 4 large rectangles. 4 large rectangles. And then you are going to write the name of a season in each rectangle. Winter, spring, summer, and fall, to create one season's poster. In each square, I would like for you to draw a tree in that season. You see here, none of my trees look like they're in the season yet. I need to go back and add details. What does the tree look like in the winter? What does it look like in the spring? What does it look like in the summer? And what does it look like in the fall? Add lots of details to your picture. What might be on the ground around the tree in each season? What might be in the sky in each season? Illustrate your picture to show me a tree in that season. And that is your season's poster. Have fun!